Okay everyone, here we go with lesson 8.5, solving quadratic equations by graphing, and lesson 8.6 is also combined in this file. Lesson 8.6 is solving quadratic equations by factoring. So for the rest of this chapter, we're going to learn 4 methods to solving a quadratic function. A quadratic function, again, has an x squared term and an x and a constant. We will learn 4 methods. The first 2 are combined in this one file. First method we know how to do already. It's graphing. All right, so that's why this section of this file is so short. It's only 2 slides because you should know how to graph already. Just as a little review, what is another way of saying zeros? Well, there's other names for zeros. They're also called roots. They're also called the x-intercepts. That's really all they are, the x-intercepts. Okay, the points at which the graph crosses the x-axis. So here in this picture right here, we have 2 points. Those are the 2 roots, or the 2 zeros of the function. So the first 0 is x equals -4 in this one, and the second one is x equals 0. Those are the 2 zeros of the function. Now, if you think about it, how many zeros can a quadratic function have? It could have 2, obviously. We just see one right here that has 2. It could also have 1 or 0. 0, 1, or 2. Because if you could draw one up here, like this, that never crosses the x-axis, so that would have 0. You could also draw one like this, that just kind of grazes the x-axis at one point, like that. That would have 1. So you could have 0, 1, or 2. List the general steps you would take to graph a quadratic function. The first thing you would do is find the vertex, which everyone should be very well versed in by now. Find the vertex. You want to also find the y-intercept. And then you want to find a couple additional points. And then you just reflect everything. Reflect the points across the axis of symmetry. The AOS, the axis of symmetry. That's how you graph. Okay, and then just figure out where the graph crosses the x-axis, and that is how you solve a quadratic by graphing. So I'll let you guys do this one on your own because I want to cut this video short before it drags on any longer. Try this example on your own, and then we'll pick it up in another